What's up guys, Tim Langhauser, Compass Home Group, coming at you from our newest listing here in Abingdon, Maryland. 3301 Trellis Lane, gorgeous 3-bedroom with a possible 4th that could be a nursery, a home office, or a full-size 4th bedroom, all on the upper level. This house has it all. Wait till you see the backyard, custom deck, patio. The backyard's been fully flattened to make sure that you guys have plenty of space for any of the fun fall and winter activities that you have planned. So let's take a look at 3301 Trellis, and we'll see you soon. Hey guys, thanks again for checking out 3301 Trellis Lane. If you guys have any questions or you want to check out this house, give me a call, 443-360-0086. Have a fantastic day.